Scurb's taxidermy tip of the day. I'm your host, Scurby. As you can see here, we got a white-tailed deer. I'm going to mount this here in a couple of days. I'm just working on fleshing it. And this is what the brisket looks like. Everybody looking at this? I can assure you, that's not what it should look like. Now I'm going to show you what they did here. So you tell me. I know I sound a little bitter, but you tell me. Watch this. This actually comes around, wait, right here. That sits in there like that. And then I got to sew up the inside of the leg point. When that cut should have come down the leg point and straight back. Like none of this should be cut. So you got to wonder, who takes their knife down the leg and then just gouges over to the brisket if you're going to get it mounted? Okay, so you look at that. That's 14, 15, 16 inches of sewing right there. Okay, this has to be sewed up down the middle. Now look at this side. This is the same stuff over here. Check this out. Okay. So, and this is the thing. You got to try to put this puzzle back together. So this comes in here like this. That piece goes right there. Okay. And then this, I think, yeah, I'm assuming this goes here. And then, again, the same weird leg cut down the pipe. And then right to the brisket in the center. I mean, seriously, who does that? So now I'm going to have to, there's another 16 inches of sewing here and another 8 coming down here. And I'm not complaining. I mean, the customer's going to pay a little bit extra for all this extra work. But seriously, here's my advice. If you don't know how to cape a deer, don't do it. Find somebody who knows what they're doing, because this is not good. And then, while I'm complaining, then they cut the cape short. Look at this. I should have at least, I don't know if you can see my hands. Oh yeah, you can see it. I should have another 6 to 8 inches of cape back here. And they just whacked it right across. So, my tip is if you don't know what you're doing, watch a YouTube video. There's lots of good ones out there. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a break here. I'll come right back and I'll sew this up, put this all together, and then I'll show you guys what the repair looks like. So at least you kind of get 2 tips. 1, don't do this. And 2, if somebody does, that's our job to fix it. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, after about an hour and 15 minutes of sewing, I wanted to show you guys the repair. I had to take all the pieces. I did a big line here through one armpit, big line through the other armpit, and then I had to reestablish the center line of the brisket fur itself. So I think we have enough. I'm going to pause the camera, flip it inside out, and show you guys what it looks like from the other side. All right, here's the repair from the flip side. You can see the tracks a little bit, so I'll have to do some airbrushing and some touch up. Good news is, you know, it's tucked underneath, so it's not like anybody's going to be on the carpet looking up at it. But I think I got, 8 to 12 inches. There's plenty of brisket, lots of armpit. You can see the leg points themselves are still in decent shape because the cuts were inside of that. But bottom line, if you don't know how to cape a deer for taxidermy, seriously, watch a YouTube video or give a buddy a call that knows what they're doing. It's going to save a lot of time, and I'll be honest with you, this is a $50 repair. So you want nice taxidermy? Bring your cape in great shape. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you the next time on Scurby's Taxidermy Tips. Take care.